Hey friends, if you wish to turn on exploit protection on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now see, here's the thing. If you search for Windows Security and open Windows Security, and then you go to the App and Browser Control tab on the list on the left hand side, select Exploit Protection Settings in the right pane, you will find all of these settings here. Okay. Now as for these settings, they are what form the exploit protection and they are on by default. Like the control flow guard is on by default. You can switch it off, okay, but it is on by default. Okay, and this force randomization is off by default. You can turn it on. Okay, and you will have to restart your computer after that. And randomized memory allocations and high entropy one, it is already on. As for validate exception change, that is also on, and validate heap integrity, that is also on. So for these two settings, you can turn them on and restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.